To create a new background, let's click on the Backgrounds panel. This will open up the background builder. I'm going to click on the plus so I can create a new background. This will open up a blank canvas. What we're going to do before we create our background is we're going to switch to the Fill Bucket tool to paint a blue sky. I'm going to change the shade of blue that I want to use. I'm going to go a little bit lighter. Now I'm going to draw some clouds, so I'm going to switch back to the brush tool. I'm going to use brush size 3. If you want to zoom in, click the plus button where it says zoom. This is good for adding finer detail. Make sure you close off any gaps in the outline before you use the fill bucket. I'm now going to bring in some stamps. Since I already know what I want to bring in, I'm going to modify the color palette a bit, as the stamps will adjust to the color palette of the background. Click the plus down here, and I'm going to scroll down to my art. I'm going to grab this dirt I made and this flower I made. You can see how their colors have been modified to match the palette of the background. I'm going to click the snap option so the stamps will snap to the grid. I can do a more tile-based background this way. Click the name to change the title. We're going to call it Sky. Let's see how we use this in the game builder. We're going to click up here and open up the game builder. I'm going to open a game that I already made. You'll see I go down here on the bottom right and I click to open up my background library to change the background that I have set for this specific game.